Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. In this video, I'll share eggs are not just for breakfast, egg nutrition, egg cholesterol and salmonella, and 5 easy ways to cook eggs. Eggs are usually associated with breakfast, but nutritious eggs can be eaten anytime. Eggs add high-quality protein to lunch and dinner salads. This 700-calorie Cobb salad provides 52 grams of protein. Use eggs to make a variety of lunch or dinner omelets and frittatas, or lunch and dinner burritos. Eggs are an affordable, low-calorie source of protein. 2 large eggs cost between 50 cents to $1. 1 large egg has about 71 calories, and a jumbo egg less than 100 calories. Like all animal foods, eggs are a source of cholesterol, but they're low sodium and low carbohydrate. 1 large egg provides 6.3 grams of protein. While 2 large eggs may not seem like a significant amount of protein compared to other animal foods, they can be a superior source of protein compared to many processed foods. For a 150-pound person, 2 large eggs provides between 30 to over 50% of their daily amino acid requirements. For decades, people with high blood cholesterol were told to limit or eliminate eggs from their diet. High cholesterol is defined as total blood cholesterol exceeding 200 milligrams per deciliter. Today, researchers know most blood cholesterol is made by your liver. For some people, DNA, not diet, determines total blood cholesterol. That doesn't mean people with high cholesterol can eat an unlimited amount of high cholesterol foods. Everyone is unique, and so is your body's response to dietary cholesterol. If you're taking cholesterol-lowering drugs, you may benefit by limiting high cholesterol foods. Industrial food production increases the risk of foodborne pathogens. To prevent salmonella poisoning, the USDA discourages eating raw and undercooked unpasteurized eggs. Most egg cartons have warnings to cook eggs until yolks are firm. Restaurant menus have warnings about eating undercooked eggs. What are the odds of becoming seriously ill if you eat undercooked eggs? In the U.S., an estimated 1 in 20,000 eggs is contaminated with salmonella. For healthy people, the risk is low. Recovery time without medical treatment is 4 to 7 days. The risk increases for children, the elderly, and people with weakened immune systems. Anyone who falls into these categories should avoid raw and undercooked unpasteurized eggs. In the U.S., the 5 most popular forms of cooked eggs are hard and soft-boiled, fried, scrambled, and poached. Hard-cooked or boiled eggs is one of the simplest cooking methods. For the fewest calories, they can be eaten plain. Used to make egg salad and egg salad sandwiches, a wide variety of deviled eggs, and many other uses. The challenge of hard-cooked eggs is preventing overcooked, rubbery whites. Hard-cooked eggs can be boiled, simmered, or poached. Ignore commercials for microwave oven egg cookers to prevent messy cleanups. Microwave ovens have many uses, but cooking delicate foods like eggs requires a lot of practice and patience. Boiling and simmering eggs provides the fastest cooking times by maintaining a constant water temperature. For easy shell removal, use eggs that are at least 1 week old. Place the eggs in a pan in a single layer and fill the pan with water. It's not necessary to completely cover the eggs with water. Bring the water to a boil over medium to high heat. As you can see, the eggs are now mostly submerged. Reduce heat to low and simmer 5 to 7 minutes. To stop the cooking and make the eggs cool enough to peel, transfer them to a bowl of ice water or drain and fill the pan with cold water. The egg yolk is firm but not dry, and the white is pliable. Poaching eggs reduces the risk of overcooking. Unlike boiling, with poaching, the water temperature decreases over time. Poaching, also known as hot water bath, requires a larger pan with enough water to fully cover the eggs. I'm using a 3-quart pan with about 2 quarts of water, enough for up to 6 large eggs. Cover the pan and bring water to a rolling boil over medium to high heat. Turn off the heat or remove pan from stove. These poaching times are approximate and will vary depending on the amount of water used and the number of eggs cooked. Like boiling, transfer cooked eggs to a pan of ice water or drain and fill pan with cold water until eggs are cool enough to handle. After poaching for 12 minutes, the yolk is fully cooked and the white is soft and pliable. Regardless of the method you use, cooking times will vary. The goal is to achieve the desired texture while preventing overcooking. Hard-cooked egg variables include egg temperature, pan size, amount of water used, stove burner heat setting, and stove burner power output. Soft-cooked eggs have a 6th variable, whether you prefer fully cooked or slightly undercooked whites. Perfect soft-cooked eggs is more challenging than hard-cooked. There are 2 cooking methods. Both methods require a pan large enough to cover a single layer of eggs with water. The first method brings the water to a boil and then adds refrigerated eggs. This method is fine for cooking 1 or 2 eggs. For more than 2 eggs, the eggs will not receive the same amount of cooking time. The cooking time for refrigerated large eggs is 5 to 6 minutes, depending on water temperature. The second method adds the eggs to a pan of cold water and brings the water to a boil on medium to high heat. Cooking time for refrigerated large eggs is about 2 to 3 minutes after the water comes to a boil. For both methods, turn off heat, remove eggs, and serve immediately. Like hard-cooked eggs, it takes trial and error to find the best time and temperature setting. Again, the cooking times in this table are approximate. I find frying and poaching easier ways to make soft-cooked eggs. Unlike trial and error making soft-cooked eggs, frying eggs gives you more control. You can stop cooking as soon as the desired texture is achieved. To prevent overcrowding, this table lists recommended skillet size. Heat skillet on low about 5 minutes. If desired, add butter or oil to lightly coat skillet. Heat about a minute or until the butter stops foaming. Add the eggs. For more even cooking, break eggs into a dish or bowl before adding to hot skillet. Fry eggs 4 to 6 minutes, covered or uncovered, until desired texture. Covering the pan retains heat and decreases cooking time. In about 5 minutes, the eggs are done and there is no sticking. Scrambling fully cooks eggs, reducing the risk of food poisoning. If desired, add 1 tablespoon of water or milk per large egg. I find it makes the eggs fluffier. Use a fork to whip eggs until frothy, about a minute. Add any additional ingredients, like diced ham, cooked sausage, or vegetables. Give the mixture a quick stir to combine. Add a little butter or oil to a nonstick skillet on medium heat. Use a wood or silicone spatula to coat the bottom. Uncoated areas is normal for high-quality nonstick skillets. Heat butter or oil about a minute, then add the egg mixture. Cook until the edge begins to set. Use a spatula to push cooked egg towards the center. Continue cooking, breaking up the eggs if desired, until firm but not dry. And there's no runny egg. Serve immediately. After mastering scrambled eggs, you can move on to more complex recipes like omelets and frittatas. The final cooking method is poaching. Eggs Benedict is a popular poached egg recipe. Like hard and soft-cooked eggs, poached eggs have no added calories. If you like soft-cooked eggs, poaching is more consistent than boiling. There are more methods for poaching eggs than any other egg recipe. Some recipes claim adding a few tablespoons of white vinegar to the water reduces egg white spread. Unlike hard-cooked eggs, the best eggs for poaching are fresh grade AA. You can use grade A if grade AA is not available. For separation and uniform cooking, break eggs into individual bowls. Fill a nonstick skillet with water. I'm using a 9-inch skillet. Add vinegar if desired. I'm using plain water. Bring the water to a boil. Add salt if desired. Add the eggs to the hot water. Cover and reduce heat to low. Poach about 4 minutes for runny yolks and 6 minutes for firm yolks. Use a slotted spoon to remove and drain the eggs. Serve immediately, seasoning with salt and pepper if desired. Without adding vinegar, there was very little residual egg white. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching, and healthy eating.